Give me a quick Bitcoin update. As we can see on the 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin is above our major support level. This is our trend line. We came up, we broke down really easy. We came up, we got rejected a few times. Came up again, tried some more, couldn't do it, broke below this level. Now, in order to go short, we could enter a short when the break of this. It does break. As it's coming up, we want to see it retrace right around here, 50% of this level or this extension leg. And it almost does it, and then boom, breaks through. So now, of course, shorts will be stopped out. It's coming up now, coming down. So in order for us to short now, we're thinking, okay, the price came down. However, we have this really nice support level or trend line. The price, 50% of this, it could do something like this where it comes up, comes down, and then bounces anywhere in this block. So it could do this. So don't get too excited. Let's see, 4 hour. Well, it broke through it. Here was resistance, broke through it. So we might maybe do a lower high, come down, and then now start coming up. So this is one option. A level that I'm really looking at is now this 114.913, because this is our low that we want to break for potential shorts. So what I'm looking at is maybe this happens, and then 50% of this leg would be about here, where it comes down, it breaks through this once again, does a higher low, comes up, gets rejected, and now moon mission to the downside. Let's go. So this is what I'm thinking of, what might potentially happen. But again, the main thing is just we have to be patient and see where it's going to lead us. Now, one thing that, the group has been very adamant in, we're bearish until we see higher highs, higher lows. Whenever we see this right here, in my opinion, it's too much. And when the FOMO finishes and starts breaking levels, the potential of it coming down pretty fast is pretty high. We've seen it time and time again where it goes up really fast and then it just comes down. Comes up very fast and then it comes down. Like this right here is a perfect example. And then even again, another shot where it goes up really fast and it comes down. Now, what I'm looking for to be bullish is this right here, this level, 116.936 is one of my other levels that I'm looking at for it to find support. Then I still need to see a retrace. Once we have that retrace and then a bounce and breaking of the high, we're great, we're golden. Let us look at one coin really quick. And that's the only short that we have is WLFI. I was getting a little worried. I made the other video where I was saying that, we might get stepped out on this one, but it just depends on what Bitcoin is going to do. And since this one is a very just gross coin, I'm staying with this short and let's see what happens. Does it come down? I'm pretty sure it's going to come down. I could be wrong. Come down, break this level, and then we're off to the races again. But just to let you know, what goes up will come down. We know that already. But so same thing here, like all these coins that started going up, well, now they're going to start coming down. And let's see, does Bitcoin find support? And if so, continue going up. And we're in the weekend already. Today's Friday. So with the weekend, low volume. So just, make sure to have the stops in place and move up. We'll be moving up our stop losses or potentially taking partials out, just depending on what we see. That's all I got. I do thank you, and we'll talk to you on the next one.